Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhagyashree. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA final paper number 14 SFM. Topic is financial derivatives in that options. Today we will solve illustration number 38, which is based on a Black and Scholes model. Okay, so 38, 39, 40, 41 four questions are based on Black and Scholes model. Okay, so calculate the price of 3 months European put option. This is very important, which option they are asking about, because formulas are different. So here put option. Okay, total 3 questions are depend upon put option and only 1 question is on call option. Okay, so put option, non-dividend paying stock, it is better because when dividend is there, so adjusted spot we have to calculate, but this is non-dividend, so normal question. Okay, strike price, which is nothing but exercise price, is 50 when the current stock price is ₹50. करंट स्टॉक प्राइस मतलब स्पॉट दिया हुआ है और ये एक्सरसाइज प्राइस है. ओके, दोनों भी 50 है. द रिस्क फ्री रेट इज 10%, so R is 10% and volatility, that is nothing but standard deviation, is 30%. Okay, so this is the data which is given for Black and Scholes model. Okay, so let's start. First of all, the data which is given, I am just copying here because that would be reference for our solution. So spot price is 50, exercise price is also 50, standard deviation is 30%. After that time period. Okay, time period, they have given 3 months European put option, so 3 months. Okay, so here it is 3 months. Okay, rate R is 10%. R is 10%. Okay, everything is given. Now this is the formula, this is the answer, main answer of a Black and Scholes model, which give us price of put option. Okay, and they are asking about price of 3 months European put option. So price of put option we are going to calculate by using this formula. Okay, so this is the formula, present value of exercise price multiplied by n, ब्रैकेट में माइनस D2. ओके, पुट ऑप्शन में माइनस होता है, इतना याद रखो, माइनस स्पॉट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय n माइनस D1. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल present value of exercise price, which is very simple. Okay, so we can calculate it. Here exercise price is given and we are going to calculate the present value of exercise price. Okay, so I am calculating here as a working note. Okay, so ₹50 is the exercise price divided by ERT. Okay, so ₹50 divided by E, R is given 10%, that is 0.10, multiplied by T मतलब time period 3/12. Okay, so here ₹50 divided by, I am going to calculate this value now. So 0.10 multiplied by 3 divided by 12. So this is the value multiplied by that number. Okay, plus 1 and this 12 times, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, I am getting value like this, so I am going to use this value here, 1.0253. Okay, 1.0253, 4 decimal तक लिखना है. So final answer we are going to get here. Okay, so 50 divided by 1.0253, I am getting like this. So up to 2 decimal places I am going to take 48.77. Okay, so here 48.77 is the present value of exercise price multiplied by this value I don't have. Okay, so I have to find out this value. Okay, here bracket close minus spot value, we know the spot value, it is 50. So 50 multiplied by, I don't know this value. Okay, so basically we have to find out first of all D1 and D2. Okay, D1 and D2 we have to find out. So this is the major part. Okay, so here how to calculate D1. Okay, natural log, in that spot divided by exercise price. Okay, so I am going to fill the values. Here spot is 50, exercise price is also 50, and here no dividend is there, so adjusted spot we will not calculate. If dividend is there, we require adjusted spot. Okay, after that plus here R matlab rate, that is 0.10 plus 0.5, this is the part of formula. Okay, standard deviation is 30%. Okay, 30%, see 30% मतलब डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे, so 0.3. ओके, सो 0.3 का स्क्वायर and the whole bracket is multiplied by t, that is time period. Time period is 3/12. Okay, 3/12 divided by standard deviation, that is 0.3 under root time that is 3/12. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Now next part we are going to calculate. See, natural log here, 50 divided by 50, it is 1. Okay, plus now we are going to solve this part. Okay, and here 3/12, see 3/12 is nothing but 0.25. okay, so you can write here, otherwise you can remember 0.25. okay, so first of all 0.3 ka square multiplied by 0.5, then plus 0.1. okay, then this value is multiplied by 3/12. 3/12 matlab 0.25. okay, so we are finally we are getting this value, so we are writing this value as it is. okay, so 0.03625. okay, this is the value of this bracket divided by here 3/12. 3/12. okay, इसका स्क्वायर रूट करना है, स्क्वायर रूट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.3, it is 0.15. okay, 0.15. now next part, see here natural log of 1. okay, in illustration number I think in 35 we have seen the reverse calculation of ERT. okay, like that we have to solve this. okay, log we have did in 35, so same way we are going to do. So first of all type of value, that is 1. okay, then our steps, that is multiplied by 0.0024417,206, that number plus 1, then this 12 times. okay, and in case of this reverse calculation is there. So first of all type of 1 multiply is equal to reverse calculation is square root. okay, so 1 2 3 4, it will not change. okay, it will remain same, then minus 1. okay, and divide by 0.24417,206. so basically 1 का जो वैल्यू आता है नेचुरल लॉग हम लोग जो करते हैं ना, उसका वैल्यू 0 आएगा. ओके, सो 0. आफ्टर दैट प्लस 0.03625 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.15. okay, this is the first question. Maybe you are getting confused, but don't worry, we are having four questions, so definitely we will understand till the last question. okay, divide by, okay, so final answer is like this. So we will write up to 4 decimal places, 0.2417. okay, so this is the value of a D1 we got. Now D2 is very simple. okay, in case of D2, D1 minus this value, and this value we are getting from here, right? So this is the value of standard deviation under root t. okay, so D1 का आंसर that is 0.2417 माइनस इसका आंसर मतलब यही 0.15. 0.2417 minus 0.15. So here we are getting 0.0917. okay, 0.0917. ठीक है, so this is the value of D2. okay, this is the value of D2, but in the formula D1 and D2 directly not used, they are used in the minus form, negative. So that's why D1 and D2 we have written in a negative form. okay, so here also we have to add the negative mark here. okay, so D1 का वैल्यू हम लोग का है 0.2417 negative due to this negative point, and here D2 का वैल्यू है 0.0917, इसको भी negative करना है. okay, so negative value we are going to write here. Now we will use the normal distribution table which is called as a Z table. okay, so Z table इधर हम लोग को use करना है, but exact same value we may not get from the Z table, somewhere different value we get, but don't worry, in the exam they will give the value of this part. okay, the value of this part they will give. okay, it means you have to calculate D1, you have to calculate D2, and after calculation of D1 and D2 they will give you the value. okay, final value here. But if not given, then you can use the Z table, they have to provide a Z table. okay, so here we are going to find out the value of a 0.2417. okay, so up to this only we can find out. okay, let's try. First of all negative part I have taken. okay, this is a positive part and this is a negative part. Now 0.2. okay, so negative में 0.2, सी negative 0.2, उसके आगे है 4. okay, उसके आगे है 4, सी 0.2 उसके आगे है 4. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस वैल्यू 40517. ओके, 40517. Up to 4 decimal places if we take, see, up to 4 decimal places if we take 4052. Okay, 4052 we will get. Up to 4 decimal is 4 decimal actually use करना चाहिए 0.4052. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Now if you don't understand, then next part. Okay, see, 0.09. Okay, 0.0 and here 9, here 9. Okay, so 0.0 and 9, this is the final value. Okay, so here 0.461 up to 4 decimal I am taking, so 4641. I hope you are getting this, but this will not exactly match with your textbook answer because they have taken the somewhere different point. Okay, so don't consider that is a nominal difference. Okay, so here finally we got this values, just put in the formula. d2 minus d2 का value है 4641. okay, so 0.4641. here d1 का value है 4052. okay, so 0.4052. okay, now just multiply 48.77 multiplied by 0.4641. I am getting like this. Okay, so here we are getting the value like this. So we will take up to 4 decimal places 22.6342. okay, minus 50 multiplied by 0.4052. okay, so here it is 20.26. now final answer 22.6342 minus 20.26. okay, so here finally I am getting the answer like this. So 2.3742 is my answer. 2.3742 is my answer. So let's check the answer in the textbook. Okay, see, final answer 2.37 and here also 2.37. okay, just I have taken 4 decimal places, they have taken 2 decimal places. okay, see, here somewhere difference is there, 4045, 4052 and here 463, here 464, like that. okay, that is nominal difference, but we need a final answer and we are getting exact same as a final answer. okay, so finally here we have completed illustration number 38. now we will go for illustration number 39. okay, illustration number 39 here. okay, so what difference does it make to your calculation in illustration number 38 if the dividend of 1.50 is expected in a 2 months? So basically this question is relating to the dividend part. So whenever dividend is given, we have to calculate the adjusted spot, nothing more than that. okay, only that difference is there. normal spot की जगह पे adjusted spot लेना है, that's it. okay, so let's start. First of all, copy the data. Here illustration number 39 is depend upon illustration number 38, so data is same. Spot was 50, exercise price was 50, dividend is given 1.50 in 39 question and dividend का time दिया हुआ है 2 months. So here 2 months. After that rate was given 10%. okay, and standard deviation was given 30% and time period overall time period. okay, in the question number 38 3 months European call option. so basically overall time period is 3 months. okay, 3 months. only new data is dividend and its time. okay, this is the new data. okay, now price of a put options formula will remain same, only instead of spot we will write adjusted spot. okay, so here present value of exercise price I am not going to calculate it again. okay, that would waste our time. so present value of exercise price remains same because data is same. okay, if you want you can calculate in this manner. okay, so I am writing directly 48.77 multiplied by, I don't know this value, I am going to calculate this. now adjusted spot. okay, adjusted spot we will calculate here. so adjusted spot formula is spot minus dividend amount divided by ERTD. okay, so spot price is rupees 50, dividend price is 1.50 divided by R is 0.10 multiplied by TD मतलब डिविडेंड का टाइम पीरियड. डिविडेंड का टाइम पीरियड इट इज़ 2 months, डिविडेंड का टाइम पीरियड इट इज़ 2 months. So here basically 2/12 we will take. Okay, so 50 minus 1.50, we have to calculate this value. Okay, so we are going to calculate this value 0.10 multiplied by 2 divided by 12. Okay, I am getting like this. So multiplied by that number 244172006 plus 1, this 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, I am getting like this. So I will use up to 4 decimal places. So 1.0168. Okay, 0168. ठीक है. So now rupees 50 minus 1.50 divided by 1.0168. Okay, just divide, nothing more than that. Okay, so here 2 decimal places I am going to take 1.48. Okay, 1.48. Now 50 minus 1.48. So I am getting I am getting adjusted spot, it is 48.52. Okay, so I got adjusted spot that is 48.52, and I don't know about this value, so I will find out it. Okay, so let's start. First of all we will go for D1. Okay, this is the formula of D1. Earlier we have seen spot divided by exercise price. Here only adjusted word is there. Okay, so here natural log adjusted spot, just now we have calculated 48.52 divided by exercise price is 50 plus R is 0.10 plus 0.5, standard deviation is 30%, it means 0.3. okay, का square. T time period मतलब overall time period, this is not a TD, this is only T, so time period is 3 months. So 3/12. Okay, now we will calculate this values here. Okay, 48.52 divided by 50. So we are getting here natural log 0.9704. Okay, after that we will solve this bracket, and we know that 3 divided by 12. Okay, this is nothing but 0.25. Okay, so first of all do this square. Okay, 0.3 का square multiplied by 0.5 plus 0.1. Okay, then multiplied by 0.25. Okay, already we have we got this value in the question number 38, but just for practice I have shown you, so I am going to write this. Okay, here I have written that value. Now final value. Okay, divided by I forgot to write here divided by part. Divided by standard deviation is 0.3 and time period is 3/12. Here also we are going to get a same value, so 3/12. Okay, uska square root multiplied by 0.3, I am getting 0.15. so I will use that 0.15 here. 0.15. Okay, now we will solve this natural log. Okay, so just type this value and reverse the steps. Okay, reverse the steps मतलब normally last step this 12 times होता है, ये 12 टाइम करना है. Okay, square root 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, we got this. Normally multiply then plus 1 then this 12 times. Okay, so this we have reversed. Now plus 1 nahi, minus 1. Okay, and multiply nahi, divide by that number. Okay, 244172006. Okay, is equal to, so this we are getting up to 4 decimal places अगर लोगे तो कितना आएगा, 0.03 आएगा. Okay, so माइनस में आएगा. Okay, minus 0.03 plus 0.03625. I am just copying this value, divide by 0.15. Now it's very simple. Okay, so 0.03 which is in minus plus 0.03625 divided by 0.15. so I am getting value like this. Up to 4 decimal places we can round off it. 0.0417. 0.0417. Okay, So I got this value. This value is called as D1. Now we will go for D2. So D1 का वैल्यू 0.0417 माइनस इसका वैल्यू इधर है ना 0.15. ओके, सो 0.0417 minus 0.15. I am getting like this. Okay, so here we got let me check once. This is correct one. Okay, so here we got D1 and D2 value. I am just writing here D1 and D2 value. So here we have written D1 value which was positive, but we are writing negative because this is a put option. After that D2 value which was already negative. Okay, and if we write here negative again, so negative negative cancel हो जाएगा, इसीलिए इधर positive लिखा है. Okay, so normally उल्टा लिखना है. If you are getting positive, write negative. If you are getting negative, write positive. Okay, I hope you have understood now. Now we will go for Z table, and here present value of exercise price we have already calculated. Okay, see in the question number 38 we have already calculated na. I have just written directly. Okay, now we will go for Z table. सी Z टेबल, उसमें हम लोग को ये फाइंड आउट करना है 0.04. ओके, माइनस वाला. सो माइनस 0.04 मतलब ये वाला. ओके, सो 0.04 इट इज 48.41. ओके, सॉरी 0.48 राउंड ऑफ करेंगे 4 डेसिमल तक, 41 आ जाएगा. ओके, आफ्टर दैट D2 का वैल्यू है 0.108. ओके, लेट्स चेक. पॉजिटिव 0.1, सी 0.1, 0.10, 0.10 इधर 0.10 ना. सो 5398, 0.5398. I hope you are getting how to use this Z table. It's easy. If you watch the video 2-3 times, pause कर करके देख लो, आराम से हो जाएगा. I am just writing this present value calculation again. Okay, this is a part of your answer. This is a working note and part of your answer. That's why I have just written. Now we will use this N1 and D1 and D2 values. Okay, 4841 and 5398. Okay, so here D2 का 5398 and here 4841. Okay, now it's very simple. 48.77 multiplied by 0.5398. Okay, so we are getting 26.3260. Okay, I am taking 4 decimal. Here 48.52 multiplied by 0.4841. I am getting here 23.4885. Okay, now 26.3260 minus 23.4885. So I am getting here answer, that is 2.8375. 2.8375. There is a mistake in the answer of your textbook. Okay, इधर कुछ तो मिस्टेक है उन लोग का. सी इधर तक हम लोग का एग्जैक्टली सेम है. ओके, एग्जैक्टली सेम है हम लोग का वैल्यू, जो भी हम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया था ना वो वाला वैल्यू. योर D1 D2. ओके, आफ्टर दैट जो Z टेबल है ना उसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ लग रहा है. ओके, Z टेबल का वैल्यू है ना उसमें इधर कुछ तो गड़बड़ लग रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत गड़बड़ है. ओके, सो दैट्स ओके. हियर कैलकुलेशन, इफ यू वांट यू कैन कैलकुलेट इट एंड यू विल find out the exact answer. So here 2 के रेंज में आएगा. ओके, so 2.8375 I am getting. So here we have completed illustration number 39. Okay, if you found this video helpful then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also join the telegram group to get the notes. Link is given in description box. Otherwise you can directly type in the telegram by you can directly search in the telegram by typing the channel name. Thanks for watching friends.